Today, we're delving into the remarkable world of ginger and uncovering its hidden benefits. While ginger is often celebrated for its culinary uses, its therapeutic properties extend far beyond the kitchen. Join us as we explore 7 hidden benefits of ginger, backed by scientific research and centuries of traditional wisdom. Ginger has long been revered for its ability to aid digestion and alleviate gastrointestinal discomfort. Research suggests that ginger contains compounds like gingerol and shagol, which exert anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects in the digestive tract. These properties may help relieve symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and nausea, making ginger a valuable ally for maintaining digestive health. Ginger possesses potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help alleviate pain and inflammation associated with various conditions, including arthritis and muscle soreness. Studies have shown that gingerols, the active compounds in ginger, inhibit the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines and enzymes, thereby reducing inflammation and promoting joint health. Rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, ginger is renowned for its immune boosting properties. Regular consumption of ginger may help strengthen the body's natural defenses against infections and illnesses by enhancing immune function and reducing oxidative stress. Additionally, ginger's antimicrobial properties may help combat bacteria and viruses, further supporting overall immune health. Emerging research suggests that ginger may offer cardiovascular benefits by improving heart health and reducing the risk of heart disease. Ginger's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties may help lower cholesterol levels, decrease blood pressure, and prevent the formation of blood clots, thereby reducing the risk of cardiovascular events.
Well, viewers, if you didn't subscribe to our channel yet, please subscribe now.
Ginger has a long history of use as a natural remedy for nausea and vomiting, particularly in cases of motion sickness and chemotherapy induced nausea. Studies have demonstrated that ginger effectively reduces nausea and vomiting by modulating neurotransmitter pathways in the brain, offering a safe and effective alternative to conventional antiemetic medicines. So viewers, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe so that you get notification for any future updates. Recent research suggests that ginger may exert neuroprotective effects and support cognitive function. Compounds found in ginger such as gingerol and zingeron possesses antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that may help protect against age-related cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Additionally, ginger may enhance memory, attention, and mood through its modulatory effects on neurotransmitter activity in the brain. Ginger may play a role in supporting weight management and metabolic health. Studies have shown that ginger supplementation can increase thermogenesis, or the body's ability to burn calories, by enhancing the activity of brown adipose tissue and stimulating fat oxidation. Additionally, ginger's ability to regulate blood sugar levels and reduce insulin resistance may help prevent weight gain and support overall metabolic balance. In conclusion, ginger is a versatile and potent herb with a myriad of hidden benefits beyond its culinary appeal. From supporting digestive health and boosting immunity to reducing inflammation and promoting cognitive function, ginger has earned its place as a revered natural remedy in traditional and modern medicine alike. By incorporating ginger into your daily routine, you can harness its therapeutic properties and enhance your overall health and well-being. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the hidden benefits of ginger. If you found this video informative, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.